In this video, I'll show you how to shoot this object to achieve this look. On the table, we built a small podium. For this, we took a cardboard box. Why do we need a podium? I'll explain later. And we covered it on top with a black plastic background. It's semi-matte, semi-gloss. On one side it reflects, but not like a mirror. It creates a slightly blurred reflection, which looks quite interesting. We're shooting with a Lumix G9 and a 30mm macro lens. Since we have a glass bottle, naturally it needs to be wiped, and we must be careful not to leave fingerprints. We placed the first flash with a snoot and honeycomb behind the object and placed it quite far away. Additionally, we placed a large piece of diffusing material in front of it, which will serve both as a background and to light our bottle at the same time. Using live view, we carefully adjust the size of our light spot by moving the flash back and forth. And because our background is very far from the object, it is completely black, with only the spot being lit. Here's the result we got at this stage. Then we thought, why not to make our spot colored? Well, that's an optional step, of course, but we decided to try it. For this we used an orange color gel, and we attached it directly to the diffusing material. Here's the result. Then we took a white reflector and a second light source. This is a Godox AD200 Pro flash. It also has a honeycomb to keep the spot small and to get a gradient. Then, again using live view, we positioned the light to make the grading to our liking. Next, we moved on to the background and used two colors of wire for this. They look like copper and aluminum. Then we started fixing it with office gum. I don't know how to say it in English, it's a sticky thing. You can use anything you want, it doesn't matter. We attached part of it directly to our plastic background, but of course in such a way that it didn't show up in the frame, and part of it to the crossbar. And that's why we needed the podium, so that the ends of the wire wouldn't dangle in the background, but would go backward. Naturally, the wires need to be illuminated, but at this stage we noticed that the right side of our object was a bit lacking in light. So we took a simple reflector and placed it opposite the light source on the left. It created reflections on the right side of the bottle. And the last thing, we lit the wires from above, using another diffuser and another flash. We made several variations by lighting the wires from different angles, so that we had options to choose from during photo editing. And there's almost no retouching here, just adding the frame with wires and removing dust. That's it, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and see you next time, bye!